Dogs are more than just pets. They are family, loyal companions who give us unconditional love every single day. But sometimes, without even realizing it, we may do little things that can hurt their feelings, break their trust, and quietly break their hearts. These aren't always huge mistakes, but small, everyday habits that, over time, can have a big impact on their emotional well-being. Today, we're going to talk about 7 everyday habits that quietly break your dog's heart and how you can avoid them to make sure your best friend feels safe, loved, and truly happy. Let's begin. Number 1, ignoring their need for attention. Dogs thrive on companionship. To them, you are their entire world. When you come home and go straight to your phone, your computer, or the TV without giving them even a moment of acknowledgement, they feel invisible. Imagine waiting all day for your favorite person, wagging your tail in excitement, only to be overlooked. That's what it feels like for them. Of course, we all have busy lives, but taking just a few minutes to greet your dog warmly when you come home can mean the world to them. A gentle pat, a hug, or simply saying their name with affection fills their heart with joy. To a dog, your attention is priceless. Number 2, not providing enough exercise and stimulation. Many people underestimate how much physical and mental activity dogs truly need. Boredom is painful for them. When a dog spends day after day lying around with no walks, no play, and no challenges, it's like asking a child to sit in a room with no toys and no interaction. Over time, this can make them anxious, depressed, or even destructive. A tired dog is a happy dog, and exercise is not just about burning energy, it's about bonding and giving them a sense of purpose. Whether it's a walk, a game of fetch, or training exercises, these moments stimulate their body and their mind, keeping them healthy and emotionally fulfilled. Number 3, punishing or yelling instead of teaching. Dogs don't understand anger the way humans do. When you yell at them or punish them harshly for mistakes, it doesn't teach them what to do, it only makes them fearful of you. Imagine the confusion of a dog who accidentally chews a shoe or has an accident indoors. They weren't trying to be bad, they just didn't know better. When their trusted human suddenly becomes scary, it quietly shatters their heart. Instead, patient and consistent positive reinforcement builds trust and makes them eager to learn. A dog trained with kindness feels safe, respected, and motivated to please. Number 4, leaving them alone too often. Dogs are pack animals. Being left alone for long stretches of time goes against their very nature. While it may feel normal to us, hours of solitude can feel like abandonment to a dog. They don't know when or if you're coming back. Over time, this can lead to separation anxiety, destructive behavior, or deep sadness. Of course, sometimes it can't be avoided, but when possible, try to keep their alone time shorter. Provide toys, leave comforting scents like a piece of your clothing, or even arrange for a neighbor or dog walker to check in. To your dog, every extra minute with you is a gift. Number 5, not respecting their fears and boundaries. Some dogs are scared of loud noises, strangers, or even certain environments. Forcing them into situations where they feel unsafe can be heartbreaking. Picture yourself being terrified of something, and the one person you trust most pushes you right into it. That's how your dog feels when their fears are ignored. A broken heart for a dog often comes from broken trust. Respecting their feelings, being patient, and slowly helping them build confidence shows them that you're their protector, not someone they need to fear. Number 6, withholding affection or being emotionally distant. Dogs crave affection. They communicate with us through wagging tails, soft eyes, and the way they lean against us. When those gestures aren't returned, when a dog feels ignored or unloved, it creates a silent ache in their heart. Some people think dogs are fine on their own, but emotionally, they need that connection. A simple belly rub, a cuddle on the couch, or a kind word reassures them of their place in your life. And when you give affection, you'll notice they give back even more. Love is the language dogs understand best. Number 7, not letting them be a dog. Sometimes, without meaning to, we forget that dogs are not humans. They want to sniff the ground, roll in the grass, chase a ball, and bark at the world. When we constantly pull them away, stop them from exploring, or expect them to act more like us, it takes away their joy. Dogs live through their senses, smelling, exploring, playing. These things aren't bad habits, they are essential parts of who they are. When we deny them these experiences, it breaks their spirit little by little. Allowing your dog to simply be a dog is one of the greatest gifts you can give. At the end of the day, most of us never intend to hurt our dogs. These habits often come from not knowing better, but awareness is the first step. By paying attention to these little details, we can avoid breaking their hearts and instead fill their lives with trust, joy, and love. Remember, to your dog, you are their entire universe. Their loyalty is pure, their love is unconditional, and they ask for so little in return, just your time, your kindness, and your affection. So, the next time you look into your dog's eyes, remember this: you have the power to make their heart soar with happiness or quietly break it. The choice is always yours. Because when we love our dogs the way they deserve, they don't just live longer, they live happier. And that is the greatest gift we can give to our best friends.